Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video because I was playing around with some mirrors I had left over from a previous project. I decided to show you how you can DIY one project for different styling purposes. If you're new here, welcome. I would love to have you part of my YouTube family, so go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified when I upload my next video. Today's video is sponsored by ShopTagger, which is my favorite shopping app. I love getting notified when an item I have been wanting goes on sale. If you don't know what ShopTagger is, it's a web app and mobile app that you can download to your computer or phone and save items from your favorite stores to be notified when an item you want goes on sale or comes back in stock. I use this web app to get the best deals because I'm all about making my money stretch. I wanted to share this item from Z Gallery that is similar to the vase I have on my dining room table from Home Goods. I've had a lot of messages asking me where it's from, but I bought it 2 years ago and I haven't seen it back at Home Goods. Z Gallery has a similar one and it's gorgeous, so if you're interested in it, you can add it to your ShopTagger cart by clicking the green button on the right or on the top. Here's a list of all the stores you can use ShopTagger with. I then went to Restoration Hardware, then Baby Restoration to see an item I've been eyeing. I don't want to pay asking price for this faux fur bean bag, so I'm going to add it to my cart and choose a percentage I want to be notified with when it goes on sale. It's so simple. I highly recommend ShopTagger to help you save money and get notified for the best deals. Another great feature is you can make different lists to help you stay organized when shopping. For example, you can make a home decor list, a kitchen list, or a nursery list. It's all up to you. I will leave the link in my description box so you can download ShopTagger. All you have to do is click the button to connect it to your browser. Thank you ShopTagger for sponsoring this video. Now let's go ahead and get started with this beautiful DIY. Everything you see here is from Dollar Tree. You will need 7 frame mirrors, 2 foam boards, a square mirror coaster, E6000 glue, a hot glue gun, bling wrap, and a box cutter. Starting off, I'm removing these little things holding the mirror in. I'm using scissors because they hurt my fingers and this way is faster to remove them. Now that all the mirrors are out of the frame, I'm going to use my E6000 glue and spread it all throughout the foam board. Once everything is covered, I'm going to put the other foam board on top. Next, I'm adding more glue to place the mirror on top. I recommend only using E6000 glue because it's very strong and it will hold better than hot glue. I'm going to hang this, that's why I recommend only this type of glue, but if you are going to use this as a centerpiece or table decor, then hot glue would work just fine. I went ahead and glued everything down and this is how the mirrors look. The middle mirrors are vertical and then the one in the middle is horizontal. I really like the look of layered mirrors, so now I'm going to cover the white foam board. I'm going to cut bling wrap and use my hot glue gun to glue it down. You can use black foam boards instead of the white foam board if you want, but I know it will come out just as nice either way. I also like using my scissors to press down on the bling wrap so I don't burn my fingers. Now I'm going to add the bling wrap all around to cover the foam board. I almost forgot to mention, to hang this project you will need command strips. I'm using the strongest strips even though this isn't 16 pounds. The directions say to connect them until you hear a snap and then peel the paper off and stick. Before peeling the other part off and sticking it to the wall, I'm going to clean it with my Perfect Glass cleaner that I use for all my mirror and glass. A lot of you have been asking me what cleaning products I use for my mirror, and this is it other than water and a paper towel. Now here we have the final results. This is my glam guest bedroom and I wanted to share it with you guys. I wanted to share how you can add a beautiful mirror wall decor to place above your nightstands. You can do two on top of each other and that would look amazing as well. I love how affordable and easy this DIY was to make because it's such a statement piece. You can make this right from home and take this as an inspiration to make it more your style. You can change the color of the bling wrap to gold or your favorite color. I would love to see if you recreate any of my DIYs. You can tag me on Instagram, it's LGQueen Home Decor. The second way on how you can style this DIY is making it a centerpiece on your dining room table or your coffee table. I added my rhinestone runner right under it and it just made it even more glam. You can place a gray, white, or any color runner and it would make this centerpiece stand out beautifully. This concludes today's video. Let me know which style was your favorite. Don't forget to download Shop Tagger, the link is in my description box. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed and you want to see more glam decor because I'm so excited to share with you guys what's to come. I want to thank everyone for your continued love and support. I'm going to be doing my 200k giveaway in my next video, so make sure you're subscribed and have the bell notification turned on so you don't miss it. I'll talk to you guys soon in my next video. Take care.